Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from WebTech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to your existing account on Fandango. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fandango.com and press enter. This will then take you into the official Fandango website. Now from the home page, in order to log into your existing account, click on the sign in/join button at the top right corner. And this will then take you into the sign up portal. Now from the sign up page, in order to continue signing in to your existing account, click on the sign in button at the very bottom. And now you can sign into your account using your credentials. Simply go ahead and type in your email address followed by your account password and then click on the sign in button, and now you will be signed in to your account with Fandango. Now once you are signed up, you can proceed with buying your desired tickets or using all of the services that are offered from Fandango. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.